Is it possible that XRP is the next eco-friendly crypto that Elon Musk chooses to go with? There's been lots of fear in the market right now with the recent news from Elon Musk. But despite all that, I'm still bullish on XRP based on what I'm seeing on the chart right now. Looks like the price is doing exactly what you want it to build momentum, to push to a new yearly high. So this current range that we are in right now is a potential buy to dip opportunity for a move up to the upside, making a new yearly high, or maybe it might even break down and head down to test this very important level down here at about $1. And in this video, we're going to talk about what we can expect to happen either with a bullish scenario or with a bearish scenario. So stay tuned for that. Welcome to Currency.com's channel. I'm your host, John, at RealJohnDoe on Twitter. And in today's video, I'm going to give you guys an updated analysis on XRP. The price is sitting right at that buy to dip opportunity range, which we're going to talk about later in this video, as well as I will give you guys an update on the usual trader sentiment, support and resistance, talk about the news a little bit, and then give you a bullish and a bearish scenario on what could happen from the current price level. And I want to try to get this video to 300 likes. So if you could take 2 seconds right now to just hit that thumbs up button on this video and like this video, I'd really appreciate that. All that support you guys show, as you can see, helps us continue to put out more and more content for you guys to help you out with your trades. And the first thing I'm going to help you out with right now is the trader sentiment for XRP on Currency.com. Right now for XRP to the US dollar, it is showing 95% buyers, 5% sellers, and the price is sitting right on support, potentially going to head up and test some of these resistance levels here on the daily. And in May right now for the price history for XRP, it is showing there has been more red days than up days as of May 12th, but things might change because this is the first time we've been consistently green 2 days in a row. Okay, so now for support and resistance levels for XRP. First level, we're looking at $1.20, which is the 50-day moving average. And then we got that $1 range, which is the April lows. And then 65 cents would be the next support level after that, which was the previous yearly high resistance level. And speaking of resistance levels, to the upside, the next level we got is right at around $1.42, which is right along that 21-day moving average range. And then $1.65, which is the highs from May so far. And then if we can make it up to $1.80, then that means XRP will go test those yearly highs, potentially break out past $2. Some of you may know already, but Elon did make a tweet about Tesla's situation with Bitcoin. He stated that Tesla is no longer accepting Bitcoin for transactions because he sees it as not eco-friendly. But he says that Tesla will be looking at other cryptocurrencies that use below 1% of Bitcoin's energy in terms of mining and transactions. But guess which crypto comes to mind when reading that statement there? It is possible that Elon could be jumping on the XRP train. If you do compare XRP to Bitcoin in terms of what route Elon wants to go, then XRP does seem like a better eco-friendly crypto, as you would say. As you can see here, XRP versus Bitcoin, general information. XRP launched 2012, Bitcoin 2009. The creators are not anonymous. It is used as global settlements, cross-currency payments, and micropayments and trading. The smallest units for XRP are called drops. And this is the important part right here, is the energy consumption per year. You can see it states XRP is the more eco-friendly. And also transactions per second, XRP has about 1,500, while Bitcoin has about 7. So I guess we will have to wait and see what Elon meant in his statement of looking for other cryptocurrencies. But just to show you guys, XRP is not out of question right now. And where we're at right now in terms of price action for XRP, I do see a buying opportunity in this current level based on what we've had here back in April, where the price bounced on that 21-day moving average. And if you look at that RSI as well, looks like the same thing. We are bottoming out, having a higher low, as well as the MACD coming down, potentially going to cross and head back up, lining up with the price action bouncing in this level. And looking at XRP right now, we had that strong push of momentum up towards that $2 price target, and then a big correction down to that 50-day moving average. As you can see now, we are ranging, going to trade in a tighter range before eventually breaking out either to the upside towards $2, or we're going to break this 50-day moving average support and head down to this next level here from the April lows at about $1. And hopefully there we get a bounce, potential trend reversal, or if we do come down to that level, we could break that as well and head down to test that 200-day moving average. So with the current level that we are in right now as a buying opportunity, let's do a little bit of risk management and what we would look for an entry in a trade here or just to buy in this range. So it will be best to wait for a daily close above this level, and then your stop loss would go right below at about $1.18. Then your take profit is anywhere up above towards that major $2 resistance level. And that gives you about a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. So that is a very good opportunity for an entry for a trade in this level. Let's say you do get into a trade in this current range we are in right now. What can you look for on the bullish side or on the bearish side if it does not go your way? So on the bullish side, we can expect a bounce to go test this 160 resistance, potentially a reversal there and test the lows once again. If we do get a higher low, then we'll bounce from there and XRP will head up towards that $2 range. We could even get a huge daily reversal candle because you could see that does happen for XRP, where we could have a huge reversal, bring us up to 160 range, some consolidation around that level, and then continue to push up to test those yearly highs at about $2. And that's if things do move towards the upside. I see these two scenarios happening. But let's say that does not happen and price gives us a little fake out at this resistance at the 21-day moving average, and we head down to test the lows once again. Then we could get a rejection here at about 140, bring us back down to test the lows again. And if we do make a lower low, then that's most likely means that support is not going to hold, and we will be going down to test those April lows. And those April lows could also be a buying opportunity for a bounce towards that 140 range, but that would be all depending on if we do get a daily close above or below those April lows. So for the next few weeks, this is what I'm expecting here for bullish and bearish. Bullish, a reversal up to test the next resistance levels, and then either some consolidation and then a breakout, or even a rejection, higher low, and then a breakout. And then to the bearish side, we could get a rejection right around the corner here, and then back down to test the lows, giving us a lower low, and then we will go down to test those April lows at about $1. So, and then that goes to price targets. For price targets, I am looking at $2 to be touched for the end of May. And also, that's all depends if we can flip 160 into a strong support if we go with that scenario. But then to the downside, I'm looking at down here at about $1 to happen as a low for May. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope it helps you out. And we do get that push for XRP right up to $2, potentially even all-time high later on this year. I will follow up again in the next analysis, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel to see that, and leave your comments below. Let me know your feedback on this video, what you would like to talk about next time, because I do hope to see you back again in the next videos. It's John with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.